5.1 solving definitions. Complementary angle. What is when the sum of the measures of the two angles is 90 degrees, which means the sum of the two angles will be 90 degrees, then the angle will be complementary angle. Suppose we will take a triangle of 70 degrees and we will take a triangle of a 20 degree. Sorry friends, it will be an angle, not a triangle. 70 degree plus 20 degree, what it will be? 90 degree. And we know that 45 degree and 45 degree is also 90 degree, and 60 degree plus 30 degree is 90 degree. So this type of sums equal whose 90 degree will come, it's called what? A complementary angle. So friends, it is our second definition. What is supplementary angle? When the sum of the measures of the two angles is 180 degree, it is called a supplementary angle. Then you are thinking how, which means we can take 90 degree and 90 degree. The both sums are what? 180 degree, and we can take 60 degree plus 120 degree. It's also 180 degree. We can take 70 degree plus 110 degree. It's also 180 degree. So it is supplementary. And now we are going to see the vertically opposite angles and one more. So friends, now we are going to start our third number definition. What is third definition? Adjacent angle. A pair of an angle which are placed next to each other is such a way that they have a common vertex and a arm which is common to both the angles are called the adjacent angles. Okay, so now you're thinking how to draw this diagram. So I will show you example that how this diagram is seen. So friends, some common examples of the adjacent angles are what? Angle 1 to angle 2. See, it's vertically opposite, which means it's next to each other. It has a common arms and a common vertex, which means they both are an adjacent angle. And this also, it has a next to each other. 2 is next to 1 and 1 is next to 2, and a common arm and a common vertex. And this is also, in this angle 2 is angle 1, they are what? Next to each other, and this is a common arms and this is a common vertex. So friends, seeing the definition of linear pair. A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common arms are opposite rays. So friends, now we are solving exercise 5.1. First question, find the complement of each of the following angles. So we have to find the complement of each of the following angles. First one is 20 degree, second one is 63 degree, and our third one is what? 57 degree. So we have to find the complement of each of the following angles. So friends, now we will solve first number. The complement angle is what? Our 20 degree. Angle. It's about 20 degree, and we know that the sum of the two complementary angles is 90 degree. So 90 degree minus 20 degree is what? Our 70 degree. So the complementary angle of the 20 degree is what? Our 70 degree. And now we will write second angle as it is. This complementary angle we will write, and it's equals to what? Is 63. So now we will minus 90 degree, subtract 63 from this was our 90 in was our 90 degree. So it will be about 27 degree. Third one is also our same as it is, we will write, and what is 57 degree, subtract from 90 degree, what it will be give? 33 degree. Okay, so the subtraction, the 60 degrees angle is whatever 27 degree, and the angles of the 57 is what? 33 degree. So they will form the 90 degree angle. So these are the answers of the first question, and now we are going to solve our second number question. Now we are going to see our second number question. Find the sum of the each of the supplementary of the angle. So what is our first number? It's 105 degree. So supplementary angle, we will write supplement angle. So what is supplement angle? It's 105, and 180 degree minus 105 degree. What it will be give? It will give us 75 degree. So the first one is what? Our First one answer is 75 degree and the second number is 87 if you write as it is, and it's what 87 degree. So what will be 180 degree minus 87 degree, it will be what 93 degree. So the answer of this second number is what our 93 degree. And now we are going to solve a third number question. What this is also same. What is 184 degree? 184 degree. So it's what 180. Sorry, it's what 184. Sorry. So friends, by mistake it's 154. So 154 degree minus 154 degree, it's what? It's 26 degrees. So the answer of the second number is third number is what 26 degree and second number is 93 degree and the first one is 75 degree. So these are the supplementary angles of the second one, and now we are going to solve a third number question. So friends, now we are going to start our third number question. Identify which of the following pair of the angles are complementary and which are the following supplementary angles. So first one is 63 and 115 degree. So what 63 plus 115 is 180 degree. So first one is supplementary and second one is what? It's complementary. So we will write here, so write one column. It's our supplementary, we will write supplementary angle SA and its complementary angle, so we will write CA. And now SA is our first one, 63 plus 115 is 180 degrees, so it's SA, and second number is what our CA, which means complementary angle. The adding is 63 plus 27 is complementary angle. 112 plus 68 is what our complementary angle. So third one is what our complementary angles, and second one is what our it's supplementary angle, it's complementary angle, and this fourth number is also what our supplementary angle. So we write supplementary, and this 45 plus 45, it's what our fifth number is what's our complementary angle, and sixth one is what also our complementary angle. So it's our complementary angle. So 80 plus 10 is what 90 degree complementary angle. 45 plus 45 90 degree complementary angle, it's 190 degree complementary, and 130 plus 50 it's what our supplementary angle. 180 degree 180 degree and 110 degrees plus 68 degree is what our 180 degree. So third one is also, and the second number is 63 plus 27 degree, it's also a complementary angle, and this first one is 63 plus 115 degree, it's what our 180 degree. So 180 degree and 180 degree, so first one is also supplementary angle. So friends, now we are going to solve our fourth number question. What is find the angle which is equals to its complement angles. So we know that the complement angle is what 90 degree, and let the angle suppose let the angle B, we will write angle B X, and complementary angle is 90 degrees. So 90 degree minus X degree. So because 90 degree minus X degree is because the value of X will not go, because when the value of this equal angle will subtract from this angle, it will give that answer. So I'll write X, and I'll write X is equals to 90 degree minus X degree is equals to what? X degree plus X is equals to X plus X. 90 degree is equals to 2X, and is equals to what? 90 degree upon X is equals to what? 90 degree minus upon 2 degree, it will be what? The value of the X will be what? 45 degree. So when we will put the value at this X place, what it will be 45 degree, and the value of X will be 90 degree minus 45 degree, it will what? 45 degree. So this both are 45 degree, 45. So the angle which is equal to its complement is 45 degree. So friends, now we are going to solve our what fifth number question. It's fifth number. Find the angle which is equal to its supplementary angle. So let the angle suppose be X. We will suppose let the angle suppose be X. We know the supplementary angle is what? 180 degree. 180 degree minus X degree, and X degree. X equals to what? 180 degree minus X degree is what? X plus X is equals to 180 degree. 2X is equals to what? 180 degree. X is equals to what? 180 degree upon 2 degree, 90 degree. So the value of this X is equal to what? 90 degree, and when we place this value 180 degree minus 90 degree, it was 90 degree. So the angle which is equals to its supplementary is what? About 90 degree. So friends, now we are moving to our sixth number question. What's it? In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. See, you can can see this both angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angle. If one is decreased, what changes should to take the angle still remains supplementary? So what do you think? Which angle should be moved to the angle that it remains supplementary? I should think the angle 2 will increase, so they still remain supplementary. Okay, so we'll write answer so angle 2 will increase. So friends, now we are moving to our 7th number question. Now we are moving to our 7th number question. Can two angles be supplementary if both of friends? What first option is acute, obtuse and right angle. So acute angle is less than 90 degree, so it can't be a supplementary angle. Obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree, so it can't be an supplementary angle. And right angle is exact the 90 degree angle, so its sums is what 90 degree plus 90 degree is what the sum gives us answer 180 degree. So we know that the supplementary angle is of 180 degree, so the third option right angle is the correct answer. So friends, now we are moving to our 8th number question. Friends, now we are moving to our 8th number question. What is an angle is greater than 45 degree? It is a complementary angle greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree. So if it's greater than 45 degree, the number which is an angle which is greater than 45 degrees, it can be 54, 64, means it's greater than 45 degree. So what? It's greater than 45 degree, and then what should be added to make it a complementary angle? So it greater than 45 degree or equal to its 45. If it's, you can see that it's greater than 45 degree. If it's 45 degree, then it is equal to 45 degree. But it's not equal. It's greater than, and it's also greater than. So greater than, it will be more. It can be 100 or 200. It can. So it's the answer will be less than 45 degree, because if it's greater than, suppose it will be 54. So what should you add to give it? So you will add 36, which means it's less than 45. So the answer is less than 45. Less than 45 degree. So it's the answer less than 45 degree. And now we are moving to our 9th number question. So friends, now we are moving to our 9th number question. What's in adjoining figure? So what is our adjoining figure is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5 is given. Which means these are our angle adjoining figures. So is one adjacent to 2, which means next to each other. Which means angle 1 is next to each other, which means angle 1 is angle 2. So which means its answer will be yes. And we will see in angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE. Angle AOC is an adjacent to angle AOE. No, it's not adjacent. We can say angle AOE is not adjacent to AOC. So we will write here no. And do angles COE and angle EOD form a linear pair? So no, they don't form a linear pair. Okay, so we will write here yes, they form a linear pair. So we can see how COE at angle EOD forms a linear pair. Now we are moving to our 5th number question. What's an angle BOD and angle DOA supplementary. So we will write here, we can see angle BOD and angle DOA are supplementary. But because it's forming 180 degree and then it will be fully straight, it will form 360 degree when it will fully rotate. So we will write here yes. And it's 4th number question. And 5th number question. Angle 1 is vertically opposite angles to 4. See, it's angle 1 and it's downside angle 4 is there. It's angle there. Yes, we can see because angle 2 is supplementary angle to angle 3 means angle 2 supplementary angle to 5. And what's our sixth number question? It's what is the vertically opposite angle of 5? Angle of 5, because it's at mid side, so its angle will be what? See, we can see it's angle 1 and angle 4. Its angle is, because it's forming two angles, so its vertically opposite angle is what? Its vertically opposite angle is angle 5. Vertically opposite angle is what? Angle 2 plus angle 3. It's vertically opposite angle. And now we are moving to our 10th number question. So friends, it's our 10th number question. What says? Indicate which pair of angles are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angle is, this vertically opposite angle is, 1 is vertically opposite angle is 2 and 5 is vertically opposite angle is 2 angle 2 plus angle 3. So we will not write angle 5 and angle 2 and 3. We will write only angle 1 is vertically opposite angles to angle 4. So this is your answer. And now we will move to our 10th number second question. So friends, now we are moving to our question number second, linear pair. So we have to find in this figure linear pair. So what is angle 5, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 and angle 4. So we have to find the linear pair. So our first linear pair is what? Angle 4 and angle 5 is our linear pair. First linear pair we will write angle 4 and angle 5. Okay. Now this 5 angles are there, so we have to find 5 this linear pair. Okay, so angle 5 to angle 4 to angle 5, and now angle 5 to angle 1 will be there. What? Angle 5 and angle 1. And two are there, and now we will find 3 more. Okay, so angle 1, angle 3, because we will write angle 3 to angle 2 plus angle 1. We will write how? Angle 3 and angle 1 plus angle 2. So this is our third. And now we have to find 2 more. Angle 4. So now we have to find fourth angle. No, we will find only 4. Angle 4 to angle 3 plus angle 2. Angle 4 and angle 3 plus angle 2. So these are the linear pair in this figure. So friends, now we are moving to our 11th number question. In the following figure, is one adjacent to angle 2? Give reason. Okay, so we will write here give reason. Give reason. So how we will give reason? Firstly, we will write no. You will think how we will write no, because in adjacent angle they are next to each other. This is your only reason. Angle no. First we will write no. This is not an adjacent angle. Where no, and because it's not placed next to each other, because angle 1 and angle 2 is not next to each other, so this is the reason for this 11th number answer. So friends, now we are moving to our 10th number questions. Find the values of the angles x, y, y and z in each of the following figure. So this is our figure, it's our figure, and this is our figure. So we have to solve this figure. Here 55 degrees get y, x and z are here. So we have to find the value of x, y and z. So friends, this is our figure. So how we will write? We will use your vertically opposite angle. Angle 5 is vertically opposite angles to this x. How? Because it's vertically opposite angle 5 to angle x. So we will write here the value of x is equals 55, and we will write here vertically opposite angle. Okay. So this vertically opposite angle, and now this x degree is 55. So we will write x plus y is equal to 180 degree, or we can write 55 plus y, 55 degree plus y is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay, so it's done. So what it will transfer y is equal to what? 180 degree minus 55 degree, and we can write here also y is equal to what? 125 degree. So now y is equal to 125 degree. So y is the vertically opposite angles to z. So y is vertically opposite angles to z. So it will also be 125 degree. So the degree of the Z, the value of the Z is what? 125 degree, and the value of Y is also 125 degree, and the value of the X is what? 55 degree. So friends, this X plus Y is equals to 180 degree is due to what? Our linear pair. Due to which? Linear pair. And now this is answer. X, Y's value is 125 degree, Z value is 125 degree, and the value of X is what? 55 degree. Friends, now we are solving our second number figures. This is 40 degree and X degree and 25 degree, Z degree and Y degree is there. Okay, so we have to find the values. So how we will find the values? Firstly, we will write what? So friends, we will write it will solve due to linear pair. First step, how we will solve? 40 plus 25 degree plus X degree. Okay, due to linear pair. Okay, 40 plus 25 plus X is equals to 180 degree due to linear pair. We will write how? Linear pair. Okay, pair. It will not 65 degree plus X is equals to what? 180 degree. Okay, so now X is equals to what? 180 degree minus 65 degree. So the value of X is what? 115 degree. Okay, so it's 115 degree. So the value of the X is what? 115 degree. And now we have to find the value Y and Z. So we can write the value of Z is equals to 1 means 40 degree. How? Due to vertically opposite angle. Due to what? Vertically opposite angle. Due to vertically opposite angles. And now we have to find the value of Y. So friends, now 40 plus Y plus is equals to what? 180 degree. How? Due to linear pair. It's of linear pair. Okay. So two Y and X are the value of Y and X is came from linear pair, and the value of the Z is come from vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now what? Y is equals to what? 180 degree minus 40 degree, and Y is equals to what? 140 degree. So the value of Y is what? 140 degree. The value is X at 115 degree. The value of Z is what? 40 degree. So these are the values of X, Y and Z. Friends, now we are solving our 13th number question. So what's our first question? If two angles are complementary, then the sum of the measures are. So if two angles are complementary, so the sum of measure is what? 90 degrees. So the measures is what? 90 degree. Because what? We know that the sum of the angles of a complementary angle is what? 90 degree. And what's our second number question? If two angles are supplementary, then the sum is what? It's also, we know that it's the angle is what? 180 degree. We know that the supplementary angle sum is what? 180 degree, and the complementary angle is what? 90 degree. And the third number question is, two angles forming a linear pair are adjacent angles. Two angles forming a linear pair are always at adjacent angles. Okay. So now we will start. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a linear pair. First one is adjacent, and when two angles forming, if two angles are forming an adjacent, if two supplementary, they are what? Linear pair. Linear pair. Okay. So the answer of our fourth number question is what? Linear pair. Fifth number, the answer of it, if two intersect at a point, the friends, our question is what? If two lines intersect at a point, they form a vertically opposite angles are what? Our equal. They form a equal. So the answer of the fifth number question is what? Our equal. They are equal. And if two lines intersect at a point, if one of the pair of the vertically opposite angles are acute angle, if their other pair of vertically opposite angles, so they are obtuse angle. What? They are obtuse angle. So its answer is obtuse angle. You can write. What? Angle. Obtuse angle. So answer of first one is 90 degree. They form the sum of the complementary angles 90 degree. Second is 180 degree supplementary. Third is adjacent angles. And fourth is linear pair. And fifth is equal. And sixth number is obtuse angle. So friends, the answer of the last number first question is what? Obtuse vertically opposite angle we have to find. So in this figure, the obtuse vertically opposite angles are what? AOD is our obtuse vertically opposite angle, and angle BOC is a vertically opposite angle. What are angle AOD and angle BOC? What is angle BOC? So these are the obtuse vertically opposite angles. So friends, the answer of this first one, last one, second number is what? Adjacent complementary angle. So its answer is what? We have to find adjacent complementary angle. So it's AOE or EOA and angle AOB. How will write angle EOA and angle BOA or angle AOB? We write AOB. So these are the adjacent complementary angle. So friends, the answer of this first one's last one, third number is equal supplementary angles. What is equal supplementary angle? DOE and angle BOE. BOE, so BOE, angle BOE and angle, where's angle DOE? DOE. So these are the vertically opposite angles. Means these are the equal supplementary angles. So friends, the answer is unequal supplementary angles are which? Angle AOE and angle EOC. AOE and angle EOC. Angle EOA and angle EOC. You can write any type. You can write AOE and angle COE. Both types you can write. So the answer of the unequal supplementary angles were angle EOE and angle EOC. So friends, the answer of the adjacent angle do not form a linear pair are angle AOB and angle AOE. Angle AOB and angle AOE, they do not form a linear pair, and angle AOE and angle EOD. Angle AOD, angle AOE and angle AOD, they also do not form a linear pair. Angle EOD and angle DOC. Angle EOD and angle D, which angle DOC. Angle DOC and angle EOD do not form a linear pair. Friends, if you like this video, please press the like button below this video and please share this video to your friends and your family members for knowing the exercise 5.1, and please subscribe to my channel for knowing the exercise 5.2.